Want to make the classic Spanish tortilla without eggs? This vegan version has the same tender potatoes and golden flavor, but it is 100% plant-based. Start by heating olive oil in a large skillet. Add diced onions and sauté until they're soft and translucent. Next, stir in sliced potatoes, cover, and cook until tender but still holding their shape. Remember, potatoes like to stick, so keep them moving and don't be shy with the oil. Then, in a blender, crumble in your tofu. Add plant-based milk, melted vegan butter, rice flour, potato starch, turmeric, garlic, and salt. Blend until completely smooth. For a little extra eggy flavor, swap some salt for black salt. Now combine the potatoes and onions with the tofu mixture. Transfer everything into a parchment-lined baking pan, smoothing the top so it is leveled. Bake for 30 minutes, then let it cool for about half an hour to set. Carefully flip it out onto a plate, peel away the parchment, and if you'd like the top extra golden, give it a quick broil. Slice into wedges, garnish with fresh herbs, and serve it warm or at room temperature. This vegan tortilla is hearty enough for lunch, perfect for brunch, and makes a beautiful centerpiece at any gathering. Visit Nuts and Twigs for the details.